Electric vehicles, when they first came out, it was a novelty and it was new, and a lot of people did a lot of training on it, and it caused a lot of confusion. Now it's just called a vehicle. We have hybrids, we have electric, and you can't really tell whether it's an electric vehicle by walking up to it. A few of the things that are kind of scary, with a vehicle accident, nobody thinks to put their car in park. Nobody thinks to set the parking brake. They just are in the vehicle when we approach. An internal combustion engine vehicle, when you approach it, you can hear if it's running. You don't know if an electric vehicle is running or not. It can be in drive. When you approach it, if the person pushes on the accelerator, it can move. They're going to drag you and every responder with them. Or if anybody's in front of the vehicle, they're going to drag them with it. So chalking the wheels, making sure that we've limited horizontal motion of that vehicle is really critical to begin with. And then make sure that we secure that, make sure it's in park. If we remove the key fob from inside of the vehicle, that should shut it down. But if a vehicle's involved with an accident, it's re-engineered. All bets are off. There is a disconnect point on those. There are some apps that we can go to that will show us where those are. But it's just a quick Google search. If you have access to the internet on our phones, it is not uncommon to look for those things. Putting a car fire out that has batteries involved will take an incredible amount of water. One of the operator's manuals from a manufacturer said copious amounts. Once you've extinguished that, it still can hold the charge. These car fires from battery operated vehicles may continue to reignite even months after that fire. Anytime you're doing any vehicle extrication, we need to peel and peek, which means you want to pull the trim back, you want to pull the carpet back and look underneath there. There could be supplemental restraints, and that's where we learn to do the peel and peek. But the other side of this is if you see a wire loom, particularly a large wire loom, don't cut it, right? Stay away from any large wire looms. Some of the vehicles may have them inside of the vehicle. Earlier ones did. Newer ones have them externally on the vehicle as well. Again, if you see a large wire loom, don't cut it. Pay attention to where you're cutting. There are a mountain of resources out there for training for electric vehicles. My biggest thing is contact your local dealerships. Those are the vehicles you're going to be dealing with in your area more than any of the others. So contact your local dealerships and set something up through them. You can contact your state fire marshal's office and ask if they recommend any trainers in your area that they've had good luck with as well.